Welcome to instruction video 1 on how to use the Univox Loop Designer. This first video will be a walkthrough on the different parts of the Loop Designer. This is the first page that you will get to when you go to the site. Please read through the user agreement. If you cannot remember your password, there's a link down here. Click on it. Will take you to this page. Just enter your email address and click on submit, and a new password will be emailed to you instantly. We'll go back and you need to log on, so we'll do that. Now I'm logged on. Once you're logged on, you can go to user profile, and in here it's possible for you to edit your profile and change your password to a more personal password of your preference. Also worth knowing is that we do not have access to your password. The only way you can retrieve it is to reset it, as I just showed you. Also know that we have no insight to what you're working on. We don't know the names of your projects. We cannot see your project. These are totally personal to you and for each user. If you click on help, here you will find all the documents for how to use the Univox Loop Designer and all the videos. One that I want you to pay special attention to is the user guide. So if you click on that, that's a PDF document. So go ahead and download that, and in here you can find a full explanation on how to use this software. A couple of things that I just quickly want to show you is on first page 5. Starts here. You can find an explanation to all the different standard loop configurations that we use here at Univox. And if you continue to scroll down, you get to page 7, I think it is, and here are the basic rules that we apply to loop design. Under different types and environments, we allow the widths of the segments to be a certain width. Most common is that the environment is reinforced concrete and that the input signal is speech. And under these conditions, we allow about 5 meter wide segments, or 15 feet. Note that the loop designer is all in metric measurements, so if you're using this and you're not used to it, you will have to convert your imperial sizes into metric sizes in order to use this program. If I go back to the welcome page, actually let's go to the expert designer. This is where everything starts. You will find the list of your current projects. Unless you've deleted a project, you'll find it in this list. Here you can start a new project. You can open a project by marking the project you want to open and then click on open, or just double click on the project, which also works. You can delete a project. You can download a project, which is very handy. You can, once you've downloaded it, you can put that in an email. You can send it to a colleague who wants to continue to work on it, or maybe if you want to email it to us for us to have a look at it and make changes to your project, you're welcome to do so. On the other end, once you've received a file in your through email, you can put that file on your hard drive and then upload it into the Univox Loop Designer and continue to work on it. So if we click on new, we start a new project. There are three areas that you will work on in the actual loop designer. First one is properties, which is just the basic settings of your loop design. Future videos will show more in detail what it does. The second part is figurations. This is where we actually design the loop system. And the third is called results. And here we can see the simulations of the performance of the loop systems that you're working on, and in the end we can get all the data showing us how much wire we need, what the resistance in the wires will be, and ultimately what loop amplifier you want to use for your project. Well, thank you, and I'll see you in